Gaindu, we design our solutions with scalability in mind, providing a solid foundation that adapts to your growing automation needs. Our flexible bush assembly solution starts with a basic configuration, featuring a vertical or horizontal assembly machine with manual loading and unloading of subframes and bushings. From this base, we offer a variety of options that progressively increase the level of automation, including automated subframe loading with conveyors, automatic bushing feeding systems, intermediate buffer stations to optimize workflow, visual inspection stations to ensure quality control, laser marking for reliable traceability, automated palletizing to streamline the final step of production, machining automation. At Gaindu, we listen and strive to understand the unique needs of each client, allowing us to propose the most tailored and effective solution to their requirements.